Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at the best Sony cameras that are perfect for photography and videography enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Sony offers a range of cameras known for their incredible image quality, fast autofocus, and innovative features. We'll break down the top models, their standout specs, and what makes each one a great choice. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to elevate your shooting game, let's get started. Number 5. Sony Alpha 7R Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera. The Sony Alpha 7R V represents a significant leap in camera technology, offering professionals and enthusiasts a versatile tool for both photography and videography. Sony has built upon the strengths of its predecessor to deliver exceptional image quality, enhanced autofocus capabilities, and advanced video features. Let's dive into a detailed review of this powerhouse. AI-powered autofocus. Sony introduces a revolutionary AI processing unit in the Alpha 7R VI, significantly improving autofocus capabilities. The AI-powered real-time recognition AF uses deep learning to identify subjects with incredible precision, even in challenging lighting conditions. This ensures fast, accurate focus, particularly when photographing moving subjects, like wildlife, athletes, or during street photography. XMOR CMOS sensor. At the heart of the Sony Alpha 7R V is a 61.0 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated XMOR CMOS sensor. This sensor is known for its ability to capture extraordinary detail and dynamic range, making it ideal for landscape, portrait, and studio photography. The back illumination helps improve light capture even in low-light settings while maintaining impressive sharpness. Advanced Bion Z XR engine. Paired with the sensor is Sony's Bion Z XR image processor, which boosts processing speed by up to 8x compared to its predecessors. This translates into faster shooting, improved real-time processing, and superior color reproduction. The overall performance of the camera feels snappier, allowing photographers to capture fleeting moments without delay. High-resolution video. For videographers, the Sony Alpha 7R V offers exceptional video capabilities, including 8K at 24p, 25p, and 4K at 60p, 50p. Number 4. Sony new Alpha 7S III Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha 7S III continues Sony's tradition of producing high-performance cameras for both videography and photography. While the Alpha 7S series has always been focused on video capabilities, the 7S III steps up the game with an impressive set of features that cater to filmmakers, content creators, and photographers who require high sensitivity and dynamic range in challenging environments. 12.1 megapixel XMOR sensor. Optimized for 4K. Unlike its higher-resolution siblings, the Alpha 7S III features a 12.1 megapixel full-frame XMOR CMOS sensor. This sensor is optimized for 4K video recording, prioritizing sensitivity and speed over sheer resolution. The lower megapixel count ensures superior performance in low-light conditions with reduced noise, making it a great choice for night videography and high-speed shooting. Bion's XR processing engine. Number 3. Sony Alpha FX3 Full-Frame Cinema Line Camera. The Sony Alpha FX3 is Sony's smallest and most compact entry in the cinema line cameras. It is designed specifically for filmmakers who need a lightweight, versatile tool that offers professional quality video and integrates seamlessly with Sony's cinema-grade cameras, like the Venice. Let's take a closer look at this impressive cinema camera that blends the compact body of a mirrorless camera with the video performance of cinema gear. 4K full-frame sensor with 15+ stop dynamic range. Number 2. Sony Alpha 1 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha 1 represents the pinnacle of Sony's camera technology, blending incredibly high-resolution photography with blistering fast performance. It is designed for professionals who need both speed and detail, offering an impressive set of features for photographers and videographers alike. From a 50.1 megapixel sensor to 30 fps continuous shooting, the Alpha 1 stands out as one of the most powerful and versatile mirrorless cameras available today. 50.1 megapixel full-frame stacked XMOR CMOS sensor. The Sony Alpha 1 is equipped with a 50.1 megapixel stacked XMOR CMOS sensor with integral memory, making it one of the highest resolution full-frame cameras on the market. This sensor excels in both still photography and video, offering incredibly detailed images and videos, even in challenging conditions. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera designed to be a hybrid workhorse for both photographers and videographers. With a powerful 33-megapixel XMOR-R CMOS sensor and next-generation Bion-Z XR image processing engine, this camera balances high-resolution imaging with exceptional video performance, making it an excellent choice for content creators who demand versatility and reliability. Let's dive into its key features and performance. 33-megapixel full-frame XMOR-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.